Yo, what's up guys? Sunday night. Is that a Cybertruck? Yeah, that is a Cybertruck. What's up? So what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another episode. It is Sunday night. It's 10 o'clock at night. Well, kaka-10 lang yata or something. And we are meeting up west again para mag-ride. Naka GTV tayo today. Just in case lang na mapalayo tayo, at least medyo mabilis-bilis yung motor natin at pwede mag-freeway. What's up? Ganda ng ganda ng Cybertruck. Bakit ang daming wind noise netong pump number 2? Yon. Mag-Apple serye muna tayo guys. Welcome back to another episode. We are gassing up. Una tayo nakarating dito sa meetup spot. We are waiting for JR, Omar TV, and Kuya Jody, and maybe Mr. Sarap Vlogs. We don't know yet. So tambay muna tayo, and then we'll continue this when we see everyone. Ciao. Oh, nakatanggal na rin yung box mo. Akala ko tumaas yung upuan pala.
Grouping initiated. Searching for group. Grouping succeeded. 4
Do you hear
group
me?
members connected.
Singing the happy birthday song.
That's right. Happy birthday, Kuya Jody. Thank you for the ice cream tonight if we make it there.
I don't have food.
Hey, we're clear. Let's go.
All clear.
Make a left here. Left turn. Left turn. Hi, sis.
Say hi.
There you go.
Remember, you got to speak up because you're in a helmet.
Let's see if we'll make it to the ice cream place. I don't know. I don't think so, but we'll see. What time is it?
We'll see what we can. 10:45 of me.
Oh, we're not gonna make it. Let's not try to make it.
Gusto mo tumay ba, Kuya Jody?
Me, it's me. Why, you want me to turn on the super lights, baby?
There you go. There you go. That's a good route. We'll see the view again here. Sunday night ride.
That's right.
Like late at night ride.
What's the right term for it? Ano ba yung salubong?
Which one?
We're gonna intercept. We're gonna intercept the midnight for Kuya Jody's birthday.
Happy
Birthday to you.
To me.
What's the right term for that, Kuya? When you wait for midnight? I forgot what's the right term.
It's Kuya Jody's birthday eve.
Birthday Eve. Hey, you're not wrong. Birthday Eve.
Yep.
Oh shit. Look what the view is on the left side.
So if you look left, you'll see Vegas.
I heard this is where you're gonna be buying your new house, Kuya Jody.
Oh no.
Oh no. Ooh, look at the
It
view.
has a swimming pool here.
Damn, look at that. It's pretty.
There's a couple of lights here that doesn't sense motorcycles. Watch out for goggles. There you go. And we make a left. It's one way. Here you go. The view again.
The view.
Welcome back again to JR. Yep.
Thank you for taking my helmet with you, sir.
Oh, nice helmet. I go back on that.
You wore it before I did, so that's good. Test fit.
This light doesn't work either, so it's fine. I don't know if you guys they can sense us. There you go. Yep, it did.
Work.
Oh, Las Vegas. We're gonna make a right.
It's my thought that we're doing that red light thing. Good boy.
Look at Mike Womack's helmet, guys. What's up, man? It's nice, huh? It's nice.
No color available in US.
It's ouch.
Ouch.
Ouch. It's alright. Astro GX, baby.
Astro boy. We're the Astro boy.
That's what happens when you got a big one. You need to cool it off.
It's rich.
Yeah,
Good
rich.
thing my bike is rich. At least my bike is rich, not me.
Yeah. Better than leaning out.
Yeah. It's way safer. Ooh, I got flashing lights, guys.
I got that too, man. Boop, 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 boop. Such a rich neighborhood without street lights. I don't get it.
They're conserving energy.
Okay.
Electricity's too expensive.
Or something blew up.
Yeah, that's probably the better thing. Something got too hot.
A lot of
Here.
greens here. Super white kay Jody.
It's kind of wide. You gotta do what you gotta do when you got a passenger.
Yeah.
Says just leave him quiet, Jody. Don't fight him. Wherever he's going, where he's gonna go. Roundabout. We just go straight. We just go straight. But I wanna go around. You guys can go straight. I'll go around.
Yeah.
What the?
Oh, you say that?
What the hell?
What a damn idiot.
and we all fell for it. What monkey do, monkey does.
I don't have any. Let's go.
When we pass Walmart, wave.
She doesn't want to go. There you go. Two up, baby, two up.
Tell her to wave and she don't wave.
She just want to hold. She doesn't want to let go. Nowhere to go. We'll see. We'll find the spot.
Okay, wave again.
Ah, there you go. That was a quick wave.
She's holding on for her life.
Okay. Now you wave. Right here on this camera. There you go.
Yeah, she ain't gonna do that too much more.
We should just go to Madhouse.
Let's go.
Yeah.
No. Go my house.
I'm gonna get Coke, okay?
Oh, no. Ba't saan ka kukuha?
Diba?
May Chevron doon dapat.
Ah, doon sa ano, akala ko dito na eh. Sige, diretso lang kayo.
Okay.
It's birthday, you know? I gotta make sure it's covered. Coca-Cola!
Thank you.
Of course.
Make it two, make it two.
Okay. Bili muna tayo ng Coca-Cola. It's okay. Okay. Paboritong drink kasi ni Kuya Jody ang Coca-Cola. Eh dun sa pupuntahan namin coffee shop, walang Coke. Yan ang sabi ni Omar TV. Kaya bili na tayo ng Coke. Spiced Zero, no, we need original. Should be good. Big ones. Iniiwan pala natin yung 360 natin dun sa labas. Sana hindi mawala. Bantayan nyo na lang guys ha. Alright. All good, thank you. Habulin na natin sila. Yun, andun pa yung 360. Hello, naiwan natin yung ilaw to. Let's go, lights. Nice. Galing. Wow. Okay, we are here. Tapos na ang ating tambike sa Madhouse Coffee. It's already past midnight. Inantay lang namin yung birthday ni Kuya Jody para mabati siya ng happy birthday.
Good. Yeah, labas ka dun.
Who's gonna be
Mikey.
the lead?
I'll stay back.
I'll take you the lead.
Sis, did you like the top box, sis?
Oh, she smiled.
Yeah, I don't think she turned her cardo back on.
Oh. Time check, it's 12:17 a.m. Oh, it's not bad. This
Midnight
Sunday
runners.
night, man.
Yeah. Midnight runners. It's already Monday morning.
Well, I think Sunday night is the way to go right now.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, it's a nice and easy ride.
Well,
Alright guys, thank you. Arigato. Arigato, arigato. Happy birthday Kuya Jody. We'll talk to you in the morning, okay?
All right, brother. Thanks.
Later guys.
Get home safe. Make
Oh.
sure you text.
Well, for sure, we'll text you guys.
Group connection lost.
It's already Monday morning kasi past midnight na. Happy birthday again to Kuya Jody. And thank you Kuya JR, Omar TV, and Kuya Jody, and si Pogi, nakahabol siya kanina dun sa coffee shop. So yeah, we are now going home. Naubusan tayo ng battery guys. So tapos na yung ride natin. I'm home and we'll see you guys in the next episode. God bless and be a blessing to one another. Peace out.